Good morning, welcome to my channel Pragya Educates You. Today we'll talk about winter season as it sets in. In winters, northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, which means sunlight directly falls very less on Earth's surface. That's why temperature is low and we feel colder winter. We wear warm clothes during winter to keep us warm, and like jackets, coats, blazers, mufflers, scarves, cardigans, etc. Also, we eat vegetables, like winter vegetables are very colorful, like and leafy vegetables, like capsicums, turnip, spinach, radish, carrots, peas, etc. Fruits like kiwi fruit, oranges, guavas, etc. As it is said that winter is for comfort, good food, warmth, friendly hand, and fire. There is winter vacations, so kids stay at home. The schools are closed and people stay at home, celebrate Christmas and the Happy New Year. And the New Year begins from 1st of January next year. During winter vacations and holidays, people plan trips for hill stations for snowfall, as hilly areas face lots of snowfall and the whole tree and environment covered with snow. So it looks very beautiful. So where you are planning for this winter season. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.